So today I'm going to show you how I do the anti-poultry flea medicine. This is the one I'm using, is the Frontline Combo. It's a spot-on flea treatment for cats, and they have it for dogs too. And so you're supposed to put this on every month, but actually I do it every month and a week because this medicine is so good that honestly she doesn't have ticks. She doesn't need to do it every month, but I have tried other brands like Advantage, and I was really surprised because I always write down the date. So this is the date when I last had her Frontline medicine on, and the box comes with a package like this. It's with 3 inside, and with these stickers. So after I put her medicine on, I take a sticker, I put the sticker on, and I always write the date of when I put the medicine on, just so that I know. And what happened with Advantage was after something like 20 days, she had fleas already. And I was really surprised, and so I'm never changing from Frontline Combo again, because it's like the one that works, and you actually save money because, you know, I do it after about 35-40 days instead of every 30 days. So I'm gonna bring Freya now, and I took this one out. Okay, I've got Freya here, and she does not like this medicine, and the result is always a runny nose with this. She's gonna want to run. So I parted her hair like this, and now I broke it like that, and she knows something's up. And I'm just on the parted hair, I'm just going to squeeze out all the stuff, and then I massage it a bit, just because I want to, and I make sure like it's all out too. Okay, and I massage, and is your nose okay? Yeah, look, stuff is coming out of her nose now. She has a very sensitive nose. I don't know if it's more sensitive than other cats, so this always happens, so that's why I have a cloth. But I just want to massage it and make sure it's in there, and then she's ready to go, and she's not happy. And she's going to go under the bed. She always goes under the bed. Well, so that's what I do, and that's how you put on the Frontline spot-on treatment, or any spot-on treatment. That's how it works. I have cat hair in my mouth now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you!